Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Can you imagine? This is March 20, and it's so hot, so very hot. I have to wear this, and I am trying my new cell phone, and this is a cinematic mode. So you can see the background a little bit blur, and my face is in full focus. But the background is a little bit too bright, so it's hard. The digital camera, I think it pick up the brightest place, and of course I am not the brightest. So if I move this way, it is easier for the camera to pick up my face. So silly. Oh, so beautiful. And I am not using any microphone, anything extended, because I heard this cell phone has 3 or 4 microphones. So I was thinking maybe I should not burden myself with other things. And especially in a quiet place like this, I think the camera or the AI or the intelligence should be able to pick up my sound and should be able to distinguish that yanghaiying is more important, that yanghaiying's voice is the voice of the world. And this camera should discriminate everything else but focus on yanghaiying. Okay, now let's give it a try. And here I am at Stanford University, and just a couple of minutes ago I was in the library, and in the library I was trying to make a video, but my voice is so low that I myself cannot hear it. Now let's see, this time I more or less can hear myself, but still in a very, very, very low voice. So I am always fascinated by the history, or for this particular case, by the elegance of the old time people's life. This is not no ordinary people. These are the people who made it. But still, to see the life of the old time, when there is less, which makes something more special. I mean, the less in terms of material richness. Now we can see all these handcrafted arts and crafts and utilities. Nowadays, we can make it through a machine mode so much easier. But when it was many years ago, hundreds years ago, people do not have that much of material, machinery. People had more time and more attention So they produce things that I don't know how to say it. It may be nothing, these glass bottles, but if we go back in time and see it through a historical lens, see through the time, we will find it so much more depth in these things. Let's take a look of this one. I can zoom in. Give me 1 minute. I wear my glasses. I cannot see anything. I'm almost completely blind. Now it's better. This must be S for Stanford, right? It's very likely to be a custom made. Let's see the zoom. Here we have 8 times zoom. And now 24 times zoom. Oh. And this one is 8 times zoom, 6 times zoom. We can see the world through this fascinating lens. Look at this design. Wow. Coral design. Okay, to be frank, I actually have never seen this with so much attention. Now I have the new phone. I want to try the zoom of it. Now I pay more attention to it. Let's see. And it's Friday afternoon. Not so many people. Look at it. Look at this one. And this one. Okay, here there is nobody here, so I can talk that I can hear myself, not really whisper. I do not like whisper. I'm very disgusted by whisper, actually. I tell you the truth. But I heard this camera has an ultra powerful stabilization. So I was thinking, if it is ultra powerful, super duper duper super duper duper powerful for stabilization, maybe I can just walk this way instead of using gimbal, because using gimbal is actually it's another tool, right? I do not want to have another tool. I just want to have as simple as possible, as easy as possible. And inside there is a new exhibition. Please excuse me, I have my personal agenda for coming to museum. I am coming to museum not to learn things, because because museum is about self-expression, if I make it right? So I just want to test this walking without gimbal. If you can see, I am holding it with my finger. Maybe next time I will buy a little tool that make my finger holding this a little bit easy, like something holding the, what do we call it? That little thingy, right? Oh, I am so entertained by my own silliness. Why do I always laugh? Maybe because I have been not happy for a long time, for 1 or 2 weeks. And the reason I was not happy is because I have something new, and I do not want to say bye-bye to my old things without, yeah, I just feel like I am betraying my old phone friend. This is so wonderful.